Hi all. So today's question is sort the students by kth score. Okay, sort the student by kth score. This is question is for 2D array. Now it has been solved. So the memory is bits 95% and the runtime is 5.53. So let me take to the description of the problem. So the description says they are class with m students. So simply speaking, so these are the number of students, that is s1, s0, s2. But the array starts from 0. Oh, sorry. There's a student which is given. This is the output. So this is the student number 0, 1, 2, and these are the different marks scored by the students. Okay, in different subject. E0 first subject, E1 second, E2 second, and E3 is the third subject. These are the score, and all scores are unique. Each row represents one student, and score I denotes the score of the ith student got in the jth exam. So this is the ith row and the jth column. In the jth is the number of subjects. The matrix scores contain distinct integer only. In order, it contains only the distinct integers. So you are also given integer k. So you given integer k that represents a column. So here represents column number 2, 0, 1, and 2. So you have to sort all the 2D array based on the highest value in that column. The highest value in that column is 11. So this full row will come in the first row, and the second one is this one 10 6 9, so it will come in the second and this will come in the third. Same second example, this is given m into n matrix, and the k is equal to 0, which represents the 0th column, and sorting the 0th column, the fifth is the bigger, so this row will come first and this row will come second. So I have used the tree map and some basic programming logic to solve this problem. So let me take to the solution. So I have taken the row length and the column length, okay, and the new array, to which I will store the all the information. Tree map just to sort, and the map which row correspond to which column. Sorry, to which the highest row correspond to which column. So the 11th score corresponds to the first row, and the ninth, which I saw the second one, correspond to the 0th row, and the third one which corresponds to second row. So starting from the loop, I have iterated only for the row of the column, and I have put it that score in the map, and its row number. So score number I of k, that is score starting from row will remain the same, and the row will change and the column will remain the same. So starting from this 0th row, and the first row and the second row and the column I have taken from the k2. So all information I have stored in the key pairs, and its value I have stored the row number. So what I have to do now, I have to store in the opposite order. So this row will come first, and this will come second, and so on. So iterating through this tree map, so I have given the 2D array, means I have read the 2D array. So now starting from the tree map, it will read this first. Okay, the create2 first. So I have to store this. I have to read the second row, okay, and all the columns, okay. After reading it, I have to store in the opposite order, because the smallest one will come in the end. So if you see, third is the smallest and it will come in the end. The second is ninth, it will come in the second row, and the highest one will come in the first. So that wise, I have given the address of the last row in the ans 2D array, which is the same of length of the score array. So it will store in the last row, and column will increment. So last row, here the last row and column will increment. Same, the row will become row minus 1 after each inner loop, and it will store in the second last and the first. So I have simultaneously, I'm reading the scores, I'm storing in the new array, okay, and I'm returning. So score, after I have to set the score just to read the value. I have to reset the row to score dot length, and then read the value. In my case here, just I have to reset the rows and return the answer. So this is the medium level complexity question, so you have to do.